Hello guys, this is the third video of 25 MCQ series. That's computing refers to applications and services that run on a distributed network using virtualized resources. Correct answer is B. Cloud computing applications are accessed by common internet protocols and networking standards. Point out the wrong statement. The massive scale of cloud computing systems was enabled by the popularization of the internet. Soft computing represents a real paradigm shift in the way in which systems are deployed. Cloud computing makes the long-held dream of utility computing possible with a pay-as-you-go, infinitely scalable, universally available system. All of the above. Cloud computing is distinguished by the notion that resources are virtual and limitless, and that details of the physical systems on which software runs are abstracted from the user. So its correct answer is B. Dash as a utility is a dream that dates from the beginning of the computing industry itself. Cloud computing takes the technology, services, and applications that are similar to those on the internet and turns them into a self-service utility. Its correct answer is also computing as a utility is a dream that dates from the beginning of the computing industry itself. Which of the following is an essential concept related to cloud? Reliability, productivity, abstraction, all of the above. Cloud computing, abstract systems implement details from users and developers. So its correct answer is C. Point out the wrong statement. All applications benefit from deployment in the cloud. Which cloud computing? With cloud computing, you can start very small and become big very fast. Cloud computing is revolutionary even if the technology it is built on its evolutionary. None of the above. All applications benefit from deployment. With cloud computing, you can start. Wrong statement is A. So its correct answer is A. Which of the following cloud concepts is related to pooling and sharing of resources? Polymorphism, abstraction, virtualization, none of the above. So its correct answer is C. Dash has many of the characteristics of what is now being called cloud computing. Internet, software, web services, all of the above. Internet has many of the characteristics of what is now being called cloud computing. The internet offers abstractions, runs using the same set of protocols and standards, and uses the same applications and operating systems. Which of the following can be identified as a cloud? Web application, internet, Hadoop, all of the above. Web application, internet, Hadoop. Which of the following cloud? Which of the following is cloud platform by Amazon? Amazon के द्वारा कौन सा क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड होता है? Azure, Microsoft, Cloudera, AWS. Its correct answer is B. Which one is not a cloud service? OAS, RAS, AAS, BAS. Its correct answer is OAAS. Thick clients are characterized by the software we install that generally works when we are offline, online, only online, none. Thick clients and thin clients. There are two types of clients, thick and thin. Thick clients works on offline. So its correct answer is A. Blank integrates mobile computing and cloud computing in order to extend the capabilities of mobile devices using offloading techniques. Its correct answer is smart mobile devices, mobile cloud computing, both A and B. Correct answer is B. The full form of COA is common oriented architecture, collection of architecture, collaboration oriented architecture, collaboration of architecture. Its correct answer is C. Collaboration oriented architecture. Which of the following is a storage data interchange interface for stored data objects? 64, OCC, OCCI, OCMI, all. Its correct answer is B. Which one is not a cloud storage provider? Google Drive, iScribe, Google Collection, iDrive. Google Collection is its correct answer. C. Google Drive offers blank GB of free cloud storage space to new web users website users. इस जगह पे साइट हमारा छूट गया है वेब स्पेस टू वेबसाइट्स यूजर्स. Its correct answer is 15. Is an American based provider of business phone systems. Its correct answer is Nirvanix, Google, Mozilla, none. Nirvanix. Correct answer A. Dash data represents more than 50% of the data created every day. It dark, light, shadow, all. Shadow data represents more than 50% of the data created every day. Dash is proposed to integrate cloud computing, which will combine cloud computing with the Internet of Things (IoT) for a security and privacy framework. RFID. Correct answer. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, RFID, none. RFID. Data integrity in the cloud system can be obtained by techniques such as red light strategy and data integrity. Digital signature. Transactions should follow properties to ensure data integrity. ACID, confidentiality, integrity, non-repudiation. ACID. Its correct answer is ACID. Using reverse Samir and Admin crypto system with P equal to 7, Q equal to 9, encrypt M equal to 24 to find ciphertext. The ciphertext is, this question is based on RSA and its calculation will be 72. Correct answer is 114. A digital signature is a mathematical technique that validates authenticity, integrity, non-repudiation. डिजिटल सिग्नेचर एक मैथमेटिकल टेक्निक है जो वैलिडेट करता है ऑथेंटिसिटी, इंटीग्रिटी, नॉन रेपुडिएशन, ऑल. इट्स करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल. Persistent desktop require dash storage more than non-persistent desktop. Less, more, average, none. Correct answer more. Which of the following initiatives tries to provide a way of measuring cloud computing services along dimension like cost? Its correct answer is CCE, SMI, Service Measurement Index, OCCI, or correct answer is B.